CP to do this game? Are you done? That's right, there he is. What about here? Where's the dog? Yeah, well, let's try this one. Where's the dog? It's kind of hard to find in this one. Where's the dog? That's right, he's over here. He's not in that one or that one. Where's the dog in this one? Yeah, right there. Good job. Where is he? There's two in this one. It kind of throws you off. You don't know which one to point to. Let's skip it. It's too hard. Agnes, where's the dog on this one? There's the dog. That's right, right there. You found him. Where's he in this one? Where's the dog? Hard to find. Are you done playing this?